Okay, so I just wanted to take you to virtual experiments because I know some of you weren't able to access it from home. So I just wanted to show you what's there.
Welcome to Virtual Experiments.
Okay, first we're going to have a look at changing solids to liquids.
Look at the solids and liquids pictured on the screen. Now match each characteristic from the list to either the solids or the liquids by dragging them to the correct area. Click on Check to see if you're correct.
Okay, so here are my characteristics. Have no real shape. That is a liquid characteristic. Have a fixed shape. That's a solid characteristic. Always take the shape of the container they are put into. That's liquids. Can always be poured. Liquids. Can sometimes be poured. Solids. And do not often take the shape of the container they are put into. Solids. Okay, let's check.
That is correct. Well done. Click on a solid from the list to see what temperature it melts at. Then watch it cool to see at what temperature it becomes a solid again.
Okay, so we're going to melt all of these and then they're going to put the temperature back up and they will turn back into a solid. So let's look at the ice. Let's look at the wax. And the iron. And the glass. So you saw that the iron in the glass melted, but it was at very hot temperatures in this special device. Okay.
Each material has different properties. One of these properties is whether it will melt or not when you heat it up. If something melts, it means it becomes liquid and runny. Some substances melt and others do not.
Look at each of the substances in the list and click on the yes or no box to say whether you think it melts or not. Then click Start to carry out the experiment and see if you were right.
Do you think ice melts? I think ice melts. Yes, we were correct. Do you think a nail will melt? I don't think so. Yes, we were correct. It doesn't melt at that temperature. Do you think butter will melt? I think butter will melt. Incorrect. Do you think that sand will melt? I don't think so. And what about chocolate? Do you think it will melt? I think so. Correct.
Can you predict which of ice, butter, chocolate and beeswax will melt the fastest? Click on the tabs to select a substance, make your prediction, and see how quickly it starts to melt.
Okay, so we have ice. How long do you think it will take for ice to melt in seconds? I think maybe only 15 seconds. Oh gosh, I was very wrong. It took a whole minute, 60 seconds. Let's have a look at butter. Okay, I think 45 seconds. What do you think? I got that one right. Okay, chocolate. I think it would take longer than ice and longer than butter. So let's say a minute 15. Oh, almost. 1 minute and 30 seconds, 1.5 minutes. Wax. I think maybe it'll take the longest to melt. So I'm going to make it 1 minute and 45 seconds. Let's see. Oh, just 1 minute. So the one that melted the quickest was actually the butter. Did you guess it was going to be the butter?